Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix this how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So how to turn off it or disable it. Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. First of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your privacy and security, click on Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. After that, virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings. Turn off real time protection. Turn off cloud deliver protection. So I already cloud deliver protection is turn off it. So turn off automatic sample submission. I have already turned off it. Turn off temper protection. So I have already turned off it. After turn off it, that close it. Now you can see data Windows Defender security is turned off. Close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.